pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Guess what I got? If you're new here, by the way, hello. I do hope that you will stay and watch this video and decide to comment down below so I can see you. I got Boxycharm Luxe. You guys know I've been waiting on this. We get it quarterly. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is, okay, you get the base box, which is $25, and then you can get premium, which is $35, and then you get the Luxe quarterly. You get billed for the base box, which is $25, plus I get billed an additional $26.99, I think it is. So, okay, wait, ooh, Boxycharm. What variation did I get? There's more. Variation 5. This is how it looks. I love me some Boxy Luxe. Oh, this is the infamous palette that's in there. Okay, let's see. I think I was expecting a little bit more. Okay, wait. Let's see. Let's just see what we have. Shall we? So we got the card with the prices. Now, what does it say? Oh, distributed by Boxycharm Incorporated. It says it's it's good for 12 months. It's cruelty free. Miami, Florida. Made in Taiwan. Okay. So this is made in Taiwan. Not China. Ooh, all right. This actually looks like a pretty decent sized palette, guys. Have any of you tried it yet? I am curious. Very curious. Oh, so it's got really cute little names. It has a mirror. We're not going to play with that right now. I will tell you the retail value of this Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette is $39. Okay. We're going to put that aside. What else do we have in here? A mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. Okay, this is pastel yellow. Ooh, I like my blow dryer. I use that all the time. It's great for travel too. That mini blow dryer that we got. I think it was Luxe in December, maybe. I'm not sure. All right, so let's just take this out. I do love tools. What is the value of this thing? Please don't be outrageously priced. $50. Okay. So it's just like a little wand. This might actually work better than the longer ones with the shorter hair. So I'm definitely going to have to try this out. Okay, so let's put this aside. Then I see these you can get in Allure, the little tiny ones. I do love Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I definitely do. This stuff is like, it's so buttery and yet it's not greasy, and it just makes your skin really soft and moist. So I love that stuff. It's $15 for the cream duo. Okay. So it's $15 for both of these. I wasn't expecting to see two little ones in here. Let's see. The cap came off of this. What is this? This might be really good. Moroccan oil. Protect and prevent spray. Color complete. See, now I like this. It prevents color fade and it has UV and pollution protection. The reason I like this is because they gave us a ceramic iron, which it's the mini curling iron. So you definitely need a protectant for the hair. That's definitely for sure. This is $30. Okay. So I like that idea. They definitely go well together. I think that's a really good product to have. We do not want to be damaging our hair, ladies. And then I see 2 items left. Oh no, they did not give me nail polish. I hate nail polish. Okay. Oh no, 3 items. 4 items left. I'm sorry. Okay, let's take out these items and put the box down here and see what we got. I never use nail polish, and these are pretty colors for the spring, but it's not something that I'm going to use. I'll probably end up putting that in a giveaway. Nail polish always chips, and there's one or two you can find out there that might last longer than a day. So to me, it's just like, but let me tell you the value on that. You hear Kayla? Okay, $19 for these two. Can almost get my nails done. Okay, so now we've got a Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo by Elizabeth Mott. It's a $40 thing? What? Okay, let's see. Smooth Shadow. What do you do with it? All right, so it's eyeliner. So this is something I would use on my waterline. Let's see. Oh yeah, I would definitely, I've been using the cake pencil from Kat Von D. I would definitely use this and replace it with that for sure. It's not black. It's, the color is Raven. Let's see what the other one is. I do like those for the waterline. Come out! It's like stuck in there. Let's see if it'll come out the other end. Here we go. Smooth Shadow Creamy Eye Pencil in Pearl. Oh, that would be nice for doing the waterline, for doing a nice bright look. I believe it's a $40 value, but okay. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, what is this gadget? A smart facial cleansing device. $99. What? I did a review on something similar to this, and oh, comes with a battery, and it was not that expensive, and there was a lot of different attachments to it. The battery says Brilliant Confidence on it. All right, so I'm not quite sure how this works. Okay, the bottom twists off. You put the battery in it. I'm guessing this is just to circulate blood flow in the face, and I am all about skincare. I'm not gonna lie there. I really am. Okay, I don't know if that part's supposed to stay on here or not. I don't know if that's supposed to stay on there or what. Oh good, it doesn't work. Are you kidding me right now? I put the battery in the right way. Here we go. It just massages as you cleanse. That's what I'm guessing. Yep, it vibrates. To massage serums and moisturizer into the skin. Oh, okay. So that might be neat. I will update you guys on how well this works. Oh, and it's got different, it's just like a vibrator. It's got different settings. Oh my God, that's a pulsating effect. Okay, all right. Stop playing with this, Karen. I guess you can use it for multiple of things. All right, next. Sorry, guys. My mind automatically went there. Okay, Nars. Nars. What do we have from Nars? It's a lip pigment. All right, let's see. Oh, I'm dying right now. Oh, this packaging is cute. Oh, I love it. All right. What is this? Oh my gosh, that's... Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Can you see that? It doesn't really pick it up on camera. It's way brighter than that. Oh my goodness. Ah! Definitely for springtime and with a tan. I would totally need a tan for that. That's a $25 value. Oh my goodness. All right. So we'll go over what we got because I think that is it. And my favorite products, it's not the vibrator, is the Moroccan oil and the mini curling iron for sure. Although I am excited to see if this will work as far as with serums and stuff, because I do use a lot of those. I don't know how the silicone would push it into the skin. I would think that that really wouldn't work. But anyhow, then we got these, the bonbon creams. We got the eyeshadow palette. We got the nail polishes, the lip color, the liquid lip, and then we've got the dual eye pencils. Right? That's it. That's everything. Yeah. And I don't know the total value, but I can put it on the screen. And I don't think I forgot anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Yeah. Okay, so that's everything. Was I expecting a little bit more? I usually do with Boxy Luxe, but I have to say I'm not disappointed in this. Everything in there I pretty much will use. So we're gonna have to update you on the vibrator. We'll see how that goes. And I will put the value on the screen. Do I think it's worth it? Yes, I definitely do. I won't use the nail polishes, but I will find someone that will. So that is that. Now, I do have a special announcement. The Fenty Beauty products, I went ahead and tried them. I got 2 premium boxes. I am going to be getting rid of, I think, Ipsy Plus. I will be unboxing my last one. And I think that I'm going to stop getting one of my premiums because I could be getting a different type of subscription box like the FabFitFun. So here is my second premium box. I didn't unbox it because you already saw it. Everything in here is the same color, same everything. But I decided to do what I did last month. I'm going to give it all away. I did use the eyeshadow palette. I almost uploaded a video with it. I did not like it. I really had to build colors, and I didn't like the way that the mattes blended out. So I am going to give this away, and the reason I'm doing that is because I'm sure some of you can use the colors out here. As far as the eyeshadow palette goes, I hope you have better luck than what I did, but I would really like somebody else to have the opportunity that does not get Boxy Premium or hasn't tried Fenty Beauty products to be able to try it. So we're going to do that giveaway, and it will go on from the time that this uploads, 2 to 3 weeks, and then I will choose a winner using the random comment picker. You must be 18 years or older to enter or have a parent's permission. I'm so sorry that people are coming in right now. Can I get through this? Okay. And you must like this video, be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below, and then I will choose a winner. Thank you all so much for everything. There's so many giveaways going on, guys. I'll put links in here for them. And
pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.